So just a quick video for today. We did indeed need to drive away from Hurricane Lee. We had scheduled our trip to the coast of Maine about a year ago, thinking we should be outside the area that hurricanes usually go to during this time of year. We were grossly mistaken. While we weren't required to evacuate, we decided that it was in our best interest given the higher winds and we're in a camper, which is, not as sturdy as a regular home. This was the calm before the storm, taken the Friday before the hurricane was due to hit Maine. So we are once again having to evacuate the area that we were in due to a hurricane. We had planned almost a year ago to be in Maine, and now Hurricane Lee is headed straight for Maine, so we had to drive west towards New Hampshire to avoid the hurricane. Now I know that it's been or going to be downgraded to a tropical storm, but the winds are still really high, and being that we're in a camper, we didn't want to risk any damage to it. So here we are sitting in a Walmart parking lot. So that's fun. While on our journey west, it seems our tires flicked up rock or debris or something that hit and broke the drain valve and the hose to our freshwater tank. We didn't get footage of it, but we had water leaking out of our freshwater tank just after pulling out of a gas station that was along our route. After a zillion phone calls on a Friday afternoon before a hurricane was due, we found a Camping World that was willing to squeeze us in on Saturday to fix the issue. Thankfully, we were far enough west that Lee was not going to affect their hours or ability to fix the tank. Y'all, finding emergency RV repair is next to impossible and so very frustrating, even during good weather. So we're so grateful to Camping World for their help with fixing the freshwater tank and getting us back on the road quickly. These guys were definitely awesome. So once we were sure everything was clear, we drove back to our campsite near the coast on Sunday and set up again. You couldn't tell the storm had passed through the area we stayed in really, but I have no regrets for leaving, just to be on the safe side. Other than the issue with the tank, of course. We spoke to our neighbors who decided to stick it out and ride the storm, and they said the winds got up to about 50 miles per hour, so they couldn't walk very far outside and their trailer rocked a bit, but they said they were fine. I'm so glad they were safe, as news reports have shown that others were not so lucky. Anyways, that's it for this video. Short and sweet, slightly out of order, but I wanted to get this one out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!